Okay, let's try to learning Figma.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
speedrun! Speedrun! Where I can find Figma? Figma.com. Oh my gosh, it's Figma! How can I use that? Get started. Fine. Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes! Okay, it's load. Fine. Okay, create new job. This is new project. It's load. Fine. We need to start dashboard. In size and place a button. Yes. Yes. Exporting. Yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
The export is done. Okay, we create this button. Yes, on Figma. Now, subscribe and learn with me. Fucking design. Because I'm a god of design. The speedrun was totally finished. Now we know the Figma. Absolutely. Please like and subscribe to my channel and visit it now recently.